Take a look at how HP Reveal works. First thing you want to do is download the app from self-service. Go ahead and create an account. Now keep in mind, in order to see auras that are created by your students or by anyone else, you will need to follow that person. So in order to do that, you would just go into this search bar, type in the username of who it is you want to follow them, and then you can view their auras. But what you'll do is you can see several different auras here. So for example, the Starbucks, someone has created one where if you scan that Starbucks cup, then there's this augmented reality experiences where layers come up, something happens. So feel free to go through, check some of those out if you can. If you have any of those items, then you would be able to actually scan them and see what happens there. So you have to create a trigger much like a QR code, and when it's scanned, then whatever you tell to happen is going to happen. Like maybe you scan an image and a video of you comes up explaining some concept, for example, or text comes up on the screen. So just to give you an example of a real quick one that I've created here is I've taken the Greene County Schools logo and created an R. So in order for this to work, we need the logo and scan it through the camera. Okay, so I click down here on this square. So as you can see, I'm just here in my office here at the middle school, and back here behind me I've got the trigger. So when I scan it, watch what happens.
The Greene County Schools Lit Tech Conference. By teachers, for teachers. It's our intention as a school system to grow teacher capacity. So through this conference, we provide our teachers with leadership opportunities to showcase the innovative strategies that they implement.
All right, so you see what just happened there is I scanned that and the video comes up, and also you saw the save the date, and that actually came up as I tapped on the video. And so I have that set to when I tap on the video for the save the date to show up, and when I tap it again, it goes back to the video. So just a quick sample. So as you saw, we used the iPad to actually scan the trigger to check out the aura and view that augmented reality experience. So if you want to actually create your own, you can do some creating on the iPad, but you can actually only do one layer on the iPad. So when I say layers, what I mean is the different things that you saw happen in the example. When I scanned that logo, we had a video that came up, then there was a contact information, then there was a save the date. So I had 3 different layers there. On the iPad, you can add 1 layer, so one thing can happen. If you want to add multiple layers, then you will sign into your account actually through the website, which is called the HP Reveal Studio. So you can see that URL here, or you can Google it and go to it. But when you go in to create your R's there, then you have many more options for adding multiple different layers and making it more interactive.